10 Best Fruits for Diabetic Patients You Must Know About. Diabetes is not just a problem of sugar, it's a lifestyle issue. However, most of the time, diabetes patients are told to manage their blood sugar levels by avoiding sugary items, but it is not that simple. Everyday items that we eat, from grains to vegetables to fruits, all consist of some level of sugar, so the more you look the more it gets complicated. But let's focus on the best fruits for diabetic patients from now on. Is it good for people with diabetes? Maybe. What if we tell you that we have a list of diabetes-friendly fruits that you can eat? You would be surprised to know that fruits causing blood sugar levels to rise dramatically have been debunked again and again. And it is true that fruits are loaded with nutrients and fiber. However, there are certain fruits that can turn out to be the best fruits if you have diabetes and help you control it. Best fruits for diabetic patients. 1. Papaya. Papaya is a summer fruit that can be considered the best fruit for diabetic patients and can be a great addition to your diet. In fact, one can eat any part of this fruit, from its pulp to seeds. Moreover, papaya is rich in antioxidants and fiber and prevents cell damage in the body. The low-calorie fruit is good for weight loss and is loaded with vitamin B, folate, and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and fiber. 2. Jamun. Indian blackberry. Also known as Indian blackberry or black plum, jamun has been said to be one of the best fruits for diabetics. The fruit is 82% water and 14.5% carbohydrates and is low in sucrose. The presence of jambosine and jamboline in the fruit slows down the process of converting starch into sugar. This helps in avoiding sudden spikes in blood sugar levels in the body. Moreover, the consumption of jamun has shown improvement in the secretion of insulin and is considered a good fruit option for diabetic patients. 3. Plum. As mentioned above, fruits that are low on the glycemic index are the best fruit for diabetics. One such fruit is plum, which reduces the risk of blood sugar spikes by taking a long time to break down the sugars in the body. This is because this diabetic-friendly fruit is packed with nutrients and decreases insulin resistance. Moreover, plums are rich in soluble fiber, another essential element for controlling sugar levels in the body. The peak season for the fruit is between May and October, and it is not available throughout the year. 4. Peaches. Peach is another excellent fruit to add to your diabetes diet. Although they are a source of carbohydrates, the nutrients present in the fruit compensate for the carb count for diabetics. Moreover, peaches are high in potassium, fiber, vitamin A and vitamin C. The bioactive compounds present in peaches have also been shown to fight obesity-related problems and cardiovascular problems in diabetics. 5. Berries. All forms of berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries or blackberries are low-carbohydrate fruits and good fruit options for diabetic patients. Rich in antioxidants, the consumption of berries helps in low glucose absorption due to the presence of nutrients and phytonutrients present in them. They also have anti-inflammatory properties with the presence of vitamin C and fiber. 6. Kiwis. Kiwis are high-fiber fruits and help in controlling sugar levels since they are low on the glycemic index. The GI of a kiwi is 49, and this means the fruit does not rapidly convert into glucose and takes time to enter the bloodstream. Moreover, studies have shown that eating fruit for breakfast significantly lowers sugar uptake in the blood. The primary reason for this is that kiwis contain a high fiber content that has a water-holding capacity, making it an excellent fruit option for diabetic patients. When consumed, the fruit absorbs water and thickens into a gel, which then slows down the process of sugar conversion. 7. Pears. Pears can be a great healthy snack added to your diabetes diet. It contains calcium, minerals, iron, potassium, and magnesium. Moreover, it is rich in vitamins C, E, K, folate, lutein, beta-carotene, retinol, and choline. The skin of the fruit is considered to have a high fiber content and helps in reducing the risk of cholesterol and obesity problems. It can be a great healthy alternative for your sweet cravings. 8. Tart cherries. Tart cherries have shown signs of improving sugar levels and diabetes management. The chemicals present in tart cherries, especially anthocyanins, not only give the fruit a bright red color but also boost insulin activity in the body. The chemical has also shown promise in reducing the risk of heart disease, making it a good fruit option if you have diabetes. 9. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world, maybe due to the phrase, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." However, there is a reason behind this phrase. An apple is highly nutritious with the presence of vitamin C, soluble fiber and various nutrients. Moreover, the fruit has antioxidant properties and is the best fruit for diabetes patients. Although apples contain carbs that can cause a rise in blood sugar levels, the fiber content in the fruit stabilizes glucose levels. However, if you want to control sugar levels in the body, you should use a glucometer. 10. Oranges. Oranges are known to be a part of the citrus fruit family and are known to be one of the superfoods for diabetics. The fruit is loaded with vitamin C, fiber, folate and potassium. Moreover, oranges are rich in fiber content and, therefore, take time to break down into sugar post-consumption. The best way to consume oranges is by eating the fruit raw and not in liquid form. At the end, finding the right fruit when you have diabetes is a challenging task. Hence, always choose the fruit after checking the glycemic index and nutrition profile. Fruit. Papaya, apple, and kiwis are something that you'll get in every season, so try to have these fruits in your everyday diet. The rest of the fruits, such as peaches, berries, and plums, are something that you'll get on a seasonal basis. So, try out some of them and let us know in the comments section which fruit you like the most. We hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Turn on notification and share the video with your friends and family.